Bouquet is to flowers as flock is to blank. So what relationship do we have here? Yung bouquet is to flowers. Ano yung relationship dito? Okay. Yung bouquet po, ano po yung bouquet? Yes! Ano po yung bouquet? Yung bouquet po, tumpok-tumpok na ano? Na flowers, di ba? So ano naman yung flock? Sheep, buba, or ship? Okay. Is it A, dogs, B, sheep, C, ship, or D, cats? Ano po yung sagot natin dito? So yes, bouquet is a group of flowers. So flock is a group of, syempre alam niyo na ito kanina, di ba lumabas ito? Okay. Oh, okay, okay lang yan. Okay, the answer here is, yes, it's basically, ano po yan? Okay, yung flock po is a group of sheep. Okay, ano naman yung group of ship na S-H-I-P? Yung ship po na letter C, ibig po sabihin yan, yung mga barko po. Yung mga barko. Okay. Barko talaga. Okay? Yung mga ships po, yung mga barko yan, yung letter C na ship. Okay? Yes, barko po. Okay? So ano naman yung grupo ng mga barko? We call it fleet. Fleet po tawag natin dyan. F-L-E-E-T. Okay? Pero yung sheep na baba black sheep, okay, that's a flock. Okay, let's see if you can also identify the relationship dito. Collective nouns po tawag natin dito, ha? So your options are angels, crooks, employees, experts, birds, sheep, and wolves. Okay, a herd of. A herd of ano? A herd of what? Oh, ang dami na tayo dito. 735. Welcome po sa 735 na andito for today's free CSE review. Oh, merong XM. Hello po, Sir Ray. Kamusta po yung buhay XM? Okay, so a herd of ano po? A herd of wolves po ba? Hindi po a herd of wolves. Okay? Pwede din po, ano yung sagot natin dito? A herd of sheep. So, tandaan po natin ha, sa sheep, pwede ding flock, pwede ding herd. Okay? So, herd and flock of sheep. Okay? So, how about the next one? A pack of. O, a pack of. Ano naman yung pack? Pack. A pack of what? Yes. Yes, very good. That's right. Dapat plural po yan palagi ha. Take note po, yung plural po ng sheep is also sheep. So yung plural ng wolf is wolves. Very good. Okay, a pack of wolves. How about the next one? A flock of. A flock of ano? Pwede din pong gamitin yung flock sa sheep po. Okay? Pero dahil nagamit na natin yung sheep, ano ba? Saan pa natin pwede magamit yung flock? A flock of? Yes. The third one? Oh, ang galing-galing. A flock of employees po ba? Wala po tayong flock of employees. A flock of? Very good. Birds. Di ba ano nga yung sabi sa saying? Birds of the same feathers flock together. Di ba? Kasi a group of birds is called a flock of birds. Galing! Oh, how about a gang of? O, di ba ang gang? Basta mapakinggan niyo yung gang, hindi yan maganda. Di ba? Unless Ilonggo po kayo, kasi sa Ilonggo, gang is like pangga. Di ba? Pangga, gang, love, parang ganon. Pero sa English, gang po ay hindi maganda. Okay. So, hindi din, sa ano ba dyan yung hindi maganda? A gang of ano ba? Okay. A gang of? Very good. A gang of crooks. That's right. Pero yung mga Ilonggo po, kagaya ko Ilonggo, sometimes we call yung ang loved ones natin gang, pangga, panggang, di ba? O sa mga Ilonggo dyan, shout out, wave, wave naman dyan mga Ilonggo. Yes, a gang of crooks. Gang of crooks po tayo. Ano ba yung mga crooks? Crooks is a slang term for criminals. Mga criminal po yan. Okay, how about a staff of? Oh, syempre, I'm sure you have heard of this word many times. Oh, ang bilis-bilis naman. Yes, that's right. A staff of employees. Very good. Okay, how about this one? A choir of. O, diba? Choir. Ano ba yung choir? Mga grupo ito ng kumakanta. They sing together, diba? O saan ba dyan yung kumakanta? Hmm. A choir of ano? Oh, ito talaga, nagaganahan talaga ako sa expression na ito. Kasi, when I took the exam, I imagine myself surrounded by a choir of employees. Oh, I know it's a late text. I mean, you sent that. Yes. Late yung pag-abot ng mga messages ng iba. Yes, the answer here is a choir of angels. Very good. And finally, the last but not the least, the panel of, ano tawag natin sa panel? Panel of ano yon? Yes, panel of, oh, so nakapag-experience ng research dyan. I am sure alam nyo yan. Yung panel, di ba traumatic yan? Oh, haharap ka sa panel. Panel of ano? Panel of, yes, very good. Panel of experts. Okay? So please don't forget these relationships po, okay? So that you can easily answer questions related to them.